A case in which the opposition is challenging the tender for printing ballot papers awarded to a Dubai-based Ghurair company kicked off Friday before a three-judge bench led by Justice Joel Ngugi.
You can trust that this bench will read every word of the documents that you have filed before we do our judgment.
NASA in its petition is accusing the electoral body IEBC for insisting on giving the tender to Ghurair printing firm despite the courts twice quashing the decision.
We're now given another document of an evaluation. And that evaluation is done at just a day before the award is given and the contract is signed the next day. If you look at the entire facts, there's an element of the commission not being candid.
Confidentiality in a procurement process is usually aimed at protecting the financial information, the commercial information of different bidders, in order to spur competitiveness and the integrity of the procurement process. It cannot be for the purpose of running away from responsibilities of accountability and transparency.
Led by Senior Counsel James Orengo, NASA argues that they are apprehensive of the fact that the president, who is also a candidate in the polls, have personal affiliations with the company awarded the tender. But IEBC, through lawyers Kamau Karori, has denied claims that Ghurair had been awarded the tender earlier. The father said NASA did not disclose to the court that IEBC held a meeting with all presidential candidates prior to the award of the tender.
Both Malanded Senior, Mr. Orengo, and Mr. Awele, again have compounded the situation. They have submitted that, my lord, the first interested party had been granted or had been awarded the tender for supply of the election materials twice prior to this direct procurement. And that is not true.
The Attorney General Githu Muigai, who is an interested party in the case, however pleaded with the judges to consider public interest in delivering their decision.
When my lords prepare to make your decision, you will read through, I urge you with respect, of those cases that I have put there from this court, speaking in a very, very clear language. When this judicial review jurisdiction has been abused, the consequences are very, very serious.
The Jubilee Party has also defended the president in the matter and termed as baseless claims that State House had some links with the firm. They want the court to expand from the petition such, terming them fictitious and far-fetched. The court is expected to pronounce itself on the matter Friday next week. Lilian Otieno for Channel 1 News.